Hey guys, so today I'm going to be trying pulpriots Ghistblood. It's supposed to be a blonde toner. This is what the box looks like. So cool, right? It's very blue when it comes out of the tube. I used it previously on my extensions, but I had mixed it with a purple, so I didn't really get to tell the true tone. Show you guys what it actually looks like. It's kind of crazy. So it's like super blue, right? Whoop. We'll pick that up. So I have a mannequin that is rather yellow. And the extensions I colored them rainbow, but the other extensions are quite ashy. So I'm wanting to get it closer to that so I can sew some in to her hair. I'll actually show you the wefts that I got and how ashy they are. Okay, so these are the wefts, and this is my mannequin. So I'm hoping to get it closer. It doesn't have to be perfect, like I said. The extensions I already colored are rainbow, so it doesn't really matter, but she's just a little more yellow than I would like. So this is gold. And I heard you're supposed to leave it on the full 45 minutes to get the full effect. So I will be shampooing her just because she's straight out of the factory and I don't know if there's anything on her. So I'm going to go ahead and shampoo her with like a gentle shampoo in cold water and apply it damp, because that's usually how I apply my pulpriot shades. And we will go from there. I will link where I got her from down below. I can't remember how much she was. I think like 60 bucks or something, but I think it's a pretty good deal for what you're getting. I got a few others that I'm going to be playing with, so we'll get to color this one first and really see how they perform. Thanks. All right, this is her fresh out the shower. She's doing pretty good, not shedding. This, I believe it did say this was real hair, which it feels pretty good overall for what it is. And it's brushing out pretty nice, minimal shedding, nothing crazy. I am trying to be gentle, but it's a mannequin, so forgive me. I went ahead and mixed up half the tube. So I am going to start with that, and if I need more, we can always add more, I think. And that'll be fine. I'm not wearing gloves, so I'm not really worried about it. Since it's such a light color, it looks so pretty, like on the phone. But I'm telling you, girlfriend is looking like butter. So I'm gonna go ahead and do like a regular root. And then I'll just pull it through. I only mixed up about half the tube, and I feel like that should maybe be enough. I don't know, it's looking like it's not gonna be already. But we can always remix. I'd rather remix than throw color down the drain. I've been recently mixing my leftover Vivid shades to make like custom colors, which has been a lot of fun. And it's definitely cut back on waste. I mean, you could always, I had like a rainbow shades, and I mixed those all together and give me a really pretty silver. But if you didn't want that, you could like keep all your greens together, your pinks or whatever, put them in a Tupperware and save them for later use. I think it would really cut back on waste. Like I said, I like to mix little bits at a time because I can always mix more. That's just always how I've been, especially being that I was an independent stylist for like 5 years. So you definitely care more about that when, you know, you're spending hundreds of dollars a week. And you know, a quarter of that is going down the drain. So I am going to focus and finish coloring this, and I will let you guys watch that part. And I will check back in after I am done fully applying. So we've got all the roots applied. It's funny because it kind of looks like bleach a little bit, but I definitely need to mix up more. So I can actually show you guys what it looks like too. And then we'll just, normally I'd be a lot neater about what I'm doing, but I'm using one hand here, so forgive me. You guys can check that out. Very cool. And I am going to start on the front and the front and the top, because that's what I care about the most. So yes, of course, we want it all to be even and beautiful, but what do you care most about? You care about what you can see, what others can see. And since I will be putting some kind of extensions in, you're not gonna see the underneath the back so much. You're gonna see the front, the top, the sides. So I'm gonna take a little bit and kind of just work it in. Normally we don't do this with the pulp because it will not really penetrate when you're rubbing it in like this, but this is like a toner, a semi-toner, so I feel like it's gonna be fine. And if it's not, it's a mannequin, so it's still gonna be fine, I promise. Taking the excess in my bowl, because like I said, I'm not really sure about saving this and mixing it, and I'm just going ahead and making sure everything's really saturated. I am scraping my bowl super clean, making sure I'm putting all that on the hair. Obviously, if this was a real person, I wouldn't be touching their forehead that way, but because it's a mannequin, she is fine and she does not mind. So, this is her fully applied. Gosh, it really does look like lightener, huh? All right, I'm gonna leave her to process the full, oh no, is that, oh, we are getting some shedding. Can you see that? Not my fave, but it's fine. Even real people shed. So I'm gonna go ahead and let that process for the full 40 or 45 minutes. I'm gonna check my box, make sure I have that correctly. And then we will rinse her and come back and see how she turned out. So these are the results after toning with Ghistblood. I definitely think it kicks some of the yellow, and it's a very subtle, pretty change. I really think purple shampoo could have done something like this, if not even more. It might have been me applying on wet hair, the way I applied. But overall, I'm happy I got to try it out, and I'm definitely gonna be toning her again to get her just a little more purpley silver. But thanks for watching, and let me know if you guys had any more success with it. Bye.